National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Troy, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Muskego, Pewaukee, Elkhorn, Mucklenago, East Troy, Wales, Wind Lake, Vernon, North Prairie, Big Bend, Waterford North, Potter Lake, Brookfield, Waterford, Love Range, Eagle, Abels Corners, and Tibbetts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado.